Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. So today we are doing yet again another Shop Miss A haul. I am definitely becoming addicted to Shop Miss A. Everything is just so cheap, it's so hard not to order on there, but I gotta say you guys, everything I've ordered so far I've really liked, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna place another order, and that's exactly what I did. And if you guys are unsure what Shop Miss A is, it's essentially kind of like an online dollar store. The majority of everything is $1. Some stuff is $1.55, and then some stuff is like $1.88. So yeah, I did some damage again, and we're just gonna go ahead and get right into it. Okay, I'm just gonna randomly pull out of the bag, and this is the first thing right here. So I picked up some of these self-grip rollers for your hair. I don't think I've ever actually used anything like this before. I've used like the bendy, twisty ones, but nothing ever like this. And I just wanted to try them and give them a go, honestly. I've been thinking lately of cutting kind of like a longer bang. Not sure yet, it's still a thought in my mind, but we'll see. But if I do end up doing that, I'll definitely use these. But I'm also just gonna try to give them a go in kind of like the front pieces of my hair anyways. So these, I believe, are the large rollers on their website. They also have a medium as well. And you do get 4 of these in the pack. I believe this was $1, but I'm gonna go ahead and put all the prices up on screen anyways. But yeah, that's what they look like there. So just some basic little hair rollers. I love the pink, I think it's so cute. I'm honestly kind of nervous to use stuff like this because all I can imagine is it getting like stuck in your hair. Oh my gosh, that would be the worst. I've had situations like that when I was younger. I got like a hair tie stuck in my hair. So painful. So I couldn't imagine something like that stuck at the top of your hair. No. But crossing my fingers, that does not happen to me. But yeah, I'm gonna give these a go and see if they work. Okay, next we have this right here, and I believe this is a Sherpa headband. Ooh, this is so soft, you guys. Look at that. Honestly, I don't wear headbands too often because I hate my forehead, but I thought this was too cute. I had to pick it up, and it seemed like it'd be really good for like in the winter time because it's so fuzzy and cozy. Like, look at that. How cozy does that look? But yeah, that's what it looks like. It's actually really cute. I love the little like knot detail at the front there. I think this is so adorable. Hopefully it looks good on me. They did also have a bunch of different colors as well, but I just thought the ivory was just too cute. All right, so next I picked up a pack of earrings. These are so cute, you guys. So they're kind of like evil eye themed. That's what they look like up close there. Hopefully you guys can see, but you do get 6 in the pack. So you get like some different ones like pearls, you get like the diamonds, and then the eye ones at the bottom there. I think that's so pretty. I love earrings. They're honestly probably like my favorite jewelry item to wear. And I love the evil eye lately. I think it's so cute. I don't think technically this is the actual evil eye, but it kind of, you know, resembles it. But I don't know, I've been kind of obsessed with it lately. I really like it, and I think these are gonna look really cute in like my second piercing up here. You guys, I'm kind of obsessed with Shop Miss A's jewelry. Like, they have so much to pick from. It's honestly insane. And I love earring packs like this because I feel like they're honestly, you know, kind of the best bang for your buck instead of like a single pair of earrings. So I love picking up packs like this. I can't wait to wear these. And as always, you guys, I pretty much always, like 99.9% of the time, always buy gold jewelry. It is very rare that you'll see me with silver jewelry in. I don't know, I just don't really like silver, so I pretty much always go for gold. And I think everything else I picked up for jewelry-wise is also gold as well, so. Okay, next we have this right here, and you're probably like, what is that? And also, you guys, if you're curious, like, did you pick up any makeup? I did, it's coming. But this is one of their AOA Studios self-care tools, and it's essentially like a scalp massager. It just looked really neat to me, and I'm all about self-care. I love it. So I can just picture myself in bed watching a movie, maybe snacking on something with my little scalp massager. Oh my god, it's also so cute. I love the pink. That is adorable. Oh my gosh. So that's what it looks like there. Hopefully you guys can see. And yeah, you pretty much just take it and massage your scalp, and that's about it. Nothing really else to it, but it did look really neat. And I'm glad I picked this up because I know for a fact I'm gonna be using this all the time. Okay, finally we have a makeup item. So I picked up a new lash glue. I have one right now. I don't really like it, so I kind of want to pick one up. And this one is one of those brush ones, and those are my favorite. I hate the ones that come in a tube. I feel like they're just kind of messy. But this is the AOA Studio Super Strip Lash Adhesive, super strong, waterproof, hypoallergenic, and no irritation. And it's also in the clear shade. And that is what it looks like right there. Oh, and I also forgot to say this has no formaldehyde, and it's also latex free. I know that's a huge issue for a lot of people that are allergic to latex. A lot of lash glue just does not work for them. So this one is latex free if you're wondering. I also just really like the packaging. I think it's so pretty. And yeah, like I said, it is a brush. Those are my favorites. So I am super excited to use this. Also, speaking of makeup, I think I have everything now to do like a full face of Shop Miss A makeup. So if that's something you want to see, let me know. I think in the last video, a couple people said they want to see that. So I'm definitely thinking of doing doing like a full face of Shop Miss A stuff. Okay, so I picked up some more jewelry here. So these are actually not earrings technically, they're actually ear cuffs. And I bought these because I really want some more piercings up my ear here, but I haven't got around to doing it. So I was like, you know what, I might as well try some ear cuffs out, see if I like it. Okay, so one fell off, but this one is basically just like a plain cuff. I'll try to show you guys. It's probably gonna be a little bit hard to see there, but it's just essentially just a little tiny plain cuff. And then we have the other two right here. So this one again is just kind of like a basic kind of rhinestone cuff. And this one I thought was super, super pretty. This one with the eye here. Look how nice that is. Yeah, I'm excited about these, you guys. I think they're gonna look really nice. I can't wait to put these on. I think the cuffs are gonna look so cute up there on like the cartilage part. I can't wait. All right, next I picked up technically another headband, but this is one of those microfiber spa headbands. So it's really only for doing like skincare or face masks or anything like that, or like taking off your makeup. And it's so cute, I couldn't resist. They had gray, they had pink, and I believe they had like an ivory color, but I just decided to go with the gray. And again, you guys, this is from the AOA brand. I think pretty much almost everything that I got is from that brand. So I do have one of these, not from this brand, but I do own one, but it's white. And I find a lot of the time white headbands just are not a great idea, especially when it comes to like taking off your makeup. So I wanted to get something a little bit more on the darker side. And this is so soft, you guys. I can't get over that. So it is a Velcro headband. So you have the piece there and right here. You just kind of wrap it around your head and secure it like that. And like I said, I really do love these things, especially for taking off makeup and skincare. They just work so well to not get any of the product like into your hair. And the one I have now, it's old. I've had it for a while, so it's definitely getting a little bit tattered and just time for a new one basically. And it's definitely not as comfortable as this one, so can't wait to use this. Okay, another product that I am so excited about. So if you watched my last Shop Miss A haul, you'll know that I picked up a lip mask in that haul, and it's really good. I've used it like I pretty much use it every single night, but the only thing I'm not super fond about is that it kind of has a very strong taste. Obviously, I'm not sitting there eating it, but you know, when you wear a lip mask and if you're drinking or, you know, just doing anything, you can end up getting some in your mouth and taste it. And it tastes kind of like perfume, like it's a very strong taste. So I wanted to try a different one out, just to give it a go, see if it's the same thing or not. So this is the AOA Studio Jelly Jam Lip Mask, and I got mine in the strawberry scent. Oh my god, it is so cute, you guys. I feel like everything from Shop Miss A is just the most adorable thing I've ever seen. So that is what the packaging looks like right there. I love that pink shade. It's so pretty. And then that's what the actual lip mask looks like inside there. I'm really curious to see if this has some kind of tint to it, because obviously it does look pink in the container. Oh, it smells so good, you guys. Oh my god, that smells amazing. It's definitely light, but I don't mind that at all. It just has such a nice, very light, faint strawberry scent. Oh my gosh, that is amazing. The only thing I don't like about lip masks in containers like this is obviously you have to dig your fingers down there, and where I have kind of somewhat long nails, I've got to use the back of my nail to do it, and it's just a little bit more messy. That's why I do prefer the ones in like tubes. But let's go ahead and take some out and see if it does have some kind of tint. I'm just gonna put it on the back of my hand here. I feel like it does have a very, very slight tint, nothing crazy. I don't know how well you're gonna tell on camera, but it does have like the slightest little tint to it. But I cannot wait to use this tonight, you guys. I love a good lip mask. Like I've said, it's one of my favorite products, honestly. I just love going to bed with like moisturized lips. It's the best feeling ever. All right, so next I picked up a lip liner, and I actually picked up two, so I might as well just show those at the same time. This one is in the shade Satin, and then this one is in the shade Cuddle. Satin is a little bit lighter, and then Cuddle is just a little bit darker. So this is Satin, and this is Cuddle. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch Cuddle first. Ooh, that looks so pretty. So this is Cuddle, and then this is Satin right there. Satin is also just a little bit more peachy as well. They don't feel super, super soft, I gotta say. They're a little bit like stiff, but that is also just a swatch, so you never really know until you try it out on your lips. But I love lip liners, you guys. Lip liners are probably one of my most used makeup products. I pretty much only wear a lip liner and like a gloss on my lips whenever I do my makeup. And that's actually something I was like looking for last time I was on Shop Miss A when I did my last haul, and I couldn't find any until recently. They actually came out with these new lip liners right here, so these are brand new. They have a bunch of different shades. I probably will go back and pick up some more. Like I said, they don't feel the creamiest right now, but they definitely do have quite a bit of pigment in there, so I'm excited to try these out on the lips just to see what it actually looks like, because like I said, swatches sometimes can be a little bit deceiving. You never really know until it's actually on your face. All right, so another lip product here. This is the AOA Studio Velvet Lips Cream Lipstick, and I got mine in the shade Riley. It's essentially kind of like a lipstick in like a lip gloss format, and this color looks absolutely stunning, you guys. Let's go ahead and give it a swatch. I gotta say, I actually really enjoy the applicator on this. So it is a doe foot, but it's actually angled. So that's what it looks like up close. Hopefully you guys can see. Oh, it's actually a lot more vibrant than I thought it was gonna be, but it still looks really nice. That's the worst thing when it comes to shopping for makeup online is the shades. They don't always look the same online as they do in real life, and I feel like this is one of those cases because it definitely didn't look this bright on the website. Like I said, it's still pretty, but I don't know if it's necessarily like a me shade. So this is the color right here. As you guys can see, it is definitely very vibrant. Like even in the tube, you guys, that does not look like it would show up that vibrant. We're still gonna give it a go. We're still gonna try it out and use it, but I don't know if it's something I would wear on a day-to-day basis. But I gotta say, you guys, the pigment on this is unreal. So if you're looking for a good pigmented like lipstick in a format like this, I'd say give it a go. So next I picked up a new concealer. So this is again from the AOA Studio brand. This is their natural finish concealer, and I got mine in the shade Fair Ivory. So it does say medium to full coverage, non-drying, creamy, and long wearing. We'll have to see about that. When it comes to packaging, I'm honestly like a 3-year-old. I just rip things apart like crazy. So I picked this up because I have actually heard quite a few good things about this concealer. So I just want to give it a go and try it out. Right now I'm using the e.l.f. concealer, and I feel like I'll never stray away from that because it's so good every single time. I can always count on it. My favorite used to be the Tarte Shape Tape, but I feel like over time, I don't know if it was my skin, I don't know if it's just the concealer not mixing well with like a primer or like my foundation, but it started to get really dry. So now my go-to is the e.l.f. one, but who knows, this one might be my new go-to. Let's go ahead and give it a little bit of swatch. So it doesn't have an applicator or anything, it's just like a little tube. Let's go ahead and put it right on the back of my hand here. It does feel very, very thick and definitely pretty creamy, I gotta say that. I swatched it in like the weirdest spot, I don't know why. The color seems nice though, I feel like that's gonna suit me pretty good. So that's what the swatch looks like right there. It does, like I said, feel pretty creamy, so I'm excited about this. I feel like the thing with concealer though, especially if you are planning on using it underneath the eye, it can be very hit or miss. Even if it's a good concealer, it just may not work well underneath the eye. But the eye area can be very tricky when it comes to concealers, especially if you are planning on putting a powder on top of that. It just may not mix well, so we'll have to give this a go, and if it doesn't work underneath my eyes, I may just try it as like a spot concealer or something like that. But so far, you guys, on first glance, I gotta say I am impressed. The color seems really nice, it also seems creamy, and it does seem very pigmented as well. So if you watched my last haul, you'll know I picked up a lip crayon in that video, so I decided to go ahead and pick up another one because I have actually used it and I really do like it. And for some reason, these lip crayons do not say the shade name on them, so I'll go ahead and pop it up on the screen. But this one definitely looks like it's gonna be a little bit more of a pinky kind of berry shade. Let's go ahead and swatch this. Okay, this is kind of weird, but it honestly kind of reminds me of this product. Like, does that shade not kind of look like that? So there's a swatch in the corner there. I feel like it kind of has like a coral undertone to it, kind of. The reason why I like these lip crayons so much, you guys, is you can sheer them out if you want, but you can also build them up. I feel like this is a really good product, just kind of like throw in your purse, you know what I mean? They give you a really nice color on the lips, but they don't dry your lips out whatsoever. So really recommend these, you guys. I really like them, and I really wish they would have more shades in these because I feel like they don't have enough. I went ahead and picked up another pack of lashes. So these are from the AOA Studio. These are the 3D Faux Mink Premium Natural Lashes in the style Willow. I actually haven't even tried the ones that I got in my last haul yet, but I saw these, they look so pretty, and for $1.55, why not, you know what I mean? And this style is just so up my alley, you guys. I love that kind of wispy, flared out look. All right, so next I picked this up right here, and just by first glance, you're probably thinking it's like a lippy or something like that, but it's actually a liquid blush, and I thought that was really neat. I also have never tried a blush in like this format before, so I thought I'd give it a go. This is the AOA Studio Color Flush Liquid Blush, and I got mine in the shade Rosewood. I was not expecting this color, you guys. I don't know if I just picked the wrong shade or something, because the one I thought I picked was like a lot more pink than this, but this is definitely on the coral side. So yeah, that's what it looks like right there. I feel like on camera it's picking up a little bit more orange. I typically don't go for a color like this, you guys. I'm definitely more of like a pink blush kind of gal, but I feel like something like this would definitely be really pretty for like summertime. Say if you were to do kind of like a more bronze bronzy but yet kind of natural look and then pop on a blush like this, I think that would be so gorgeous. All right, so next I actually picked up another concealer. So this is a pot concealer. This is the AOA Studio Top Secret Concealer, and I got mine in the shade, again, Light Ivory. So I picked this up because, again, I have heard people talk about this, and I really want to try this out for like spot concealing for like blemishes. It does seem like a really like thick consistency. I don't know, it doesn't seem super creamy, I gotta say that. But again, it's just a swatch. It definitely could perform differently on the face. Okay, I still don't even think you can see it, but it is right down here. On the skin, for some reason, it looks really pink undertone, so I don't know if that's gonna work very well, but we'll give it a go and try it out. But I definitely would never use something like this under the eye because it just seems way too dry for that. But we'll see. For a little spot concealer, it might work perfectly fine. Okay, next, going back to jewelry, I picked up a necklace. I think this is actually the last jewelry item that I got, but I thought this was so pretty, you guys. I love this. Look how pretty that is, you guys. I am obsessed. I think this is gonna look so gorgeous. Maybe like a basic like black or white top or something like that, but this is so cute. Okay, so next I picked up another blush. I don't know if you guys can tell by now, but I really like blush and lip products. So this is a cream blush, but it is in like stick format. So I got this in the shade Rose, and it looks like such a pretty pink. I'm so excited for this. Let me go ahead and swatch it over here. Ooh, that looks so pretty. Oh my god. Now this is definitely a me shade for sure. Look at that color, you guys. Oh my god. I am so excited to try this out, you guys. I can't wait. I know for the longest time I couldn't stand cream products in like stick format because I would just take the stick and just apply it straight to my face like this, and it would either be like super streaky or take like the makeup off underneath. But the best way to apply stuff like this is to take a brush or a beauty blender, just dab the product here and then apply it to your face. That is the best way to apply a product like this. You're not going to get any kind of patchiness. Another product that I'm super excited about, this is the Bright Eyes Eye Massage Wand. So this helps depuff eyes and prevent wrinkles. So this is actually what it looks like right here, and as you guys can see, the little ball at the top here is what you kind of massage your eyes with. So essentially what you would do kind of after like moisturizing and applying your eye cream, you would take this and kind of just go on your under eyes with, just like that, and it just creates kind of like a really cooling effect. It's also supposed to massage at the same time, but I mostly got it just for kind of like the cooling effect to it because I love that. But just imagine this with your eye cream. How nice is that going to feel? I'm just picturing it now, how nice this is going to be. I cannot wait to use this. I'm using it tonight for sure. Can't wait. I've got it all set up. I've got my lip mask, I've got my little eye massager, my little headband. I can't wait for my skincare routine tonight, you guys. Can't wait. Oh, so apparently I do have another jewelry item left. So I picked up these earrings right here. These are so adorable, you guys. I'm obsessed. I don't think it gets any cuter than this, to be honest. Just look at these earrings, you guys. Tell me that's not the most adorable thing you've ever seen. I want to say they had different colors for these earrings as well, for like the little hearts right here, but I cannot remember. But this color pink, you guys, is one of my favorites. It's honestly kind of what I have on my nails right now. I just think that light pink is so, so pretty. All right, so I only have a couple more things left. So the next thing is this right here. This is the AOA Studio Eyes on Me Vivid Liquid Liner. I love my liquid liners, but I have never in my life had a white liquid liner, and I just think this is going to be so perfect for creating like different eye looks. I think it's going to be really neat. That's if it's pigmented though. I really hope this isn't sheer because I did buy it with like the purpose of it being like a really nice white liner. So let's crack into it and see what it's like. I'm actually pretty impressed with that. So hopefully you guys can see that there, but that's actually pretty decent, especially for the price. They also had a bunch of different colors too, you guys, and if you aren't into liquid liners like this, they had little like gel pot liners as well, and they had a bunch of different colors in those too. All right, and my last product that I picked up is the AOA Studio Vita Glow Tinted Moisturizer with Vitamin C. The reason why I picked this up is because I have heard so many good things about this product right here. I wasn't expecting it to be as small as it is. Honestly, it looks like a little concealer. Where is my concealer at so I can compare sizes? So this is the concealer I got, and this is the tinted moisturizer. So honestly, the tinted moisturizer is not much bigger. So who knows how far this product is actually going to go, but I got mine in the shade Light. I was reading some of the reviews and people said to go a little bit lighter than what you think it would be. So I got this shade right here. I really hope it matches me. Let's go ahead and do a little swatch here. Okay, that actually looks like it's gonna match perfectly, honestly. So that's a swatch right there. Now that summer is just right around the corner, I do want something a little bit lighter on my face instead of foundation. And honestly, you guys, out of all of the tinted moisturizers and BB creams I've tried, I have not found the one that I'm just over the moon about yet. So who knows, maybe this will be the one that I'm in love with. We'll have to see. But yeah, like I said at the beginning, a lot of people love this. They rave about it. They say it's so good. So I'm definitely curious to see how this is going to perform. That is everything in my Shop Miss A haul. Let me know in the comments down below if you want to see more videos like this, because there's probably definitely going to be some more damage done on that website. But anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big like and subscribe, because I would really appreciate that. Also, if you want to keep up with me outside of YouTube, I do have Instagram and TikTok, and I'll go ahead and link those down below. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.